Hello, my name is Josh Comeaux, and I'm here today to share a story with you and introduce a product that we're very excited about that's changing the hair industry as we speak. Not too many of us, as we're working, take the time to write down the solution to a problem we come across the other day. 5 years from then, we're sitting down watching TV or we hear about our solution and we say, I think about that. Well, a year and a half ago, I came up with a solution to a problem this industry didn't know we had. What we needed to do was see how the hair color would come out before we actually applied it to a client's head. The oldest trick in the book as a hairstylist was always to swatch your color on a white napkin. My client went silver, very trendy hair color right now. So I had my 3 different brands, and she wanted blue base, so I picked the one I thought had the strongest blue base, and the hair ended up turning green. So not only did I write down the solution, I started working on that problem the very next day. I reached out to my colleague Tom and I was like, we have to make this happen. Unicorn hair is a growing trend. And as the few months went by, I realized this trend was here to stay. The celebrities are getting involved. Vivid hair is more accepted at workplace. And the best part, or the most important part, clients, the people that getting their hair done, want this. It helps them express themselves, it helps them feel free. With a whole lot of love and a whole lot of soul, we created the ColorMap. You can now see how the color will look on the sewing canvas, just like it would on a client's hair. The number one most important feature about ColorMap was the swatch had to be absorbent. It had to be able to soak up the color just like the hair would, and that way it would react. We included 7 undertones. We have 14 pages of 7 colors. This makes it a tool, not a coloring book. We perforated the swatches, that way it'll be easy to use, waste less color, and best part, you can write your formulas down, right on the swatch. It's perfect for any hairstylist at any age, any amount of time in the game. Then, this product is super easy to use. You simply match up the book to your client's hair, and she can have multi-tones, but that's okay. You just try the formula out in both. This is perfect for direct dots. The color reacts just like your hair would. Now, it also can be used for oxidative colors and your flash toners. You have to take in mind those color processes for 4 or 5 minutes. On the pad, they process to the full extent. This book is a perfect size and texture. It's thick enough so you can save your formulas, you can write it down, it won't be in the way, and it's durable enough to keep forever. ColorMap has grabbed the attention of stylists all over the country, even international. This video from Russia shows how easy ColorMap is to use. An early milestone of ours that we were so proud of was the Salor feature. Caitlin Ford mentions how ColorMap was a tool that helped her create this beautiful look. If you're teaching color theory, this is the best tool in your arsenal. Indie artists such as Amanda Harsh are using ColorMap in their cross-country educational color tours. And you don't have to take my word for it. The best part about this entire experience has been the feedback from a number of stylists through DMs and messages. They say it's a game changer. It's the new way. They can't work without it. And my personal 2 favorites, thank you, and it's genius. It makes me smile. You know, I like to say, keep life fun. And if you're in the hair business, you're having fun. This is a passion, and this is also a career. I was lucky enough to make a career out of something I love. It was doing hair. It was always fun. It was always creative. And that's what ColorMap is, a fun, creative way to do hair color. It took me years to build up confidence in my skill set in doing color. I wanted these stylists to be super confident in every execution they do. Not only is it a great experience for a stylist, it gets the client involved. The client becomes part of their experience. They loving this. They get to choose. They get to pick how they want their color to look. It's a win-win for the entire industry. The great part about this industry, it's always changing, whether it be the stylist or the artist. We all have a vision, and we are all dreamers. Dreams binds us all. We want to be there to see you paint the dream.